Welcome to the City of Detroit Office of Contracting and Procurement Onboarding Existing Suppliers Training Session. If you are an existing supplier, you will be in the City of Detroit's database. Some of the characteristics of being an existing supplier are: you have an active transaction with the City of Detroit, meaning that you have a contract or you have purchase orders within the last 4 years, or you've received a payment from the City of Detroit. If you have any of the characteristics described, you should have received an email from a do not reply at oracle.com with your username and password. That email will look like this. It will provide your user ID and a temporary password to enter the system. Go to the City of Detroit at michigan.gov and click on Existing Suppliers with a contract or purchase order. So we click on it, we go to Existing Suppliers. It takes us to a login screen. Enter your user ID provided in the email from oracle.com, and then enter the password provided in the email. Now click Sign In. You will be required to change the password that was initially provided to you in the email from do not reply at oracle.com. In order to create your new password, you must observe the password policies. Your password must not contain your first name. It must not match or contain your last name. It must contain at least 2 alphabetic characters, which means at least 2 alphabets. The password must be at least 6 characters long. It must contain at least 1 lowercase. It must contain at least 1 number. It also must contain at least 1 uppercase letter. In creating your password, it must not be one of the 5 previous passwords that you have used. It must also start with an alphabetic letter, and it must not match or contain your user ID. So we will create a new password. Next, you have to identify and register your challenge questions for your account. Then we hit Submit. From here, you enter into the supplier portal and proceed to enter any transactions. Let's recap. Once you have received your notification email from do not reply at oracle.com, you will go to the Detroit, Michigan Government Supplier website and click on Existing Suppliers. You will create your password by using the information in the do not reply at oracle.com and then click Sign In. You must observe the password policies in the creation of your new password. Remember to enter the old password first and then create your new password using the elements of the password policies. From there, you will answer 3 challenge questions. Then you will enter the supplier portal. If you did not receive an email, please check your junk or spam folder. If you do not have an email to confirm that you're an existing supplier with the city, or if you cannot remember your username or password, then email or call the City Procurement Office. The email address is procurementinthecloud@detroitmichigan.gov. The phone number is 313-224-1500. Visit the City of Detroit supplier site at http://www.detroitmichigan.gov/supplier. Thank you for attending the Onboarding Existing Suppliers training session.